So show me your toys. What is this?
Horse truck.
It's not a truck. It looks like a monster
Monster truck.
monster truck. Okay, what else do we have?
Big tires.
Mm-hmm.
And run around.
Mm-hmm.
You go jump cars. Crash.
Okay. You wanna show me your truck?
That's the other one. Digger.
Okay.
That's the gray digger.
What's this?
Gray digger.
Oh wow. Scary looking.
That's scary. Look at the top.
On the top. It says a great digger on the top.
Uh-huh.
Mm-hmm.
Look at the house. This is maybe a house car.
Mm-hmm.
Look at the red
Can you
light.
go fast?
Yes, yes, they go.
Oh. Like stuff. Do it again.
Stop.
Oh. Like scary stuff.
Yeah, that's scary.
Mm-hmm. Okay, what else? What else you have? Show me.
Look at fire engine.
Fire engine. Mm-hmm.
If I make a noise.
Oh. It sounds so real.
Yeah.
Mm.
And that's it. Ambulance.
Ambulance. Mm-hmm.
And this.
Wow.
Let's see this one. Oh, so heavy.
What's that called?
Thermometer.
Mm.
Round.
Mm. Interesting. And that's a worker?
No, thermometer man.
Mm.
Look at the hat. Look at the hat.
Mm. Hot hat.
Yeah. Whoa, it's so heavy. Whoa.
Whoa. What is this?
Fire engine.
Mm.
Look at the generator.
Mm. Seth, do you think we can make a lot of money with this video?
Yes.
The review?
This is it.
Do you think you're interesting enough to have so many followers?
Look at I'm in the cream. That's I'm in the cream.
They all have really nice toys.
That's I'm in the
Yeah.
cream.
Do you think they like to see your toys? Okay, can you say goodbye?
I want to find my tractor.
Can you say goodbye?
Tractor.
Upstairs. Say goodbye and please
Tractor,
subscribe.
tractor.
Say goodbye and please subscribe.
Bye.
Bye and subscribe. Say subscribe.
Subscribe.